Hi Ray. So just to quickly update you, I'm on staging 1, and the Coffs Harbour page, you can see the ticks are in there. So the info was updated and it's keeping the ticks. I'm having a gut feeling that when SiteGround, there was a problem with the website. They changed the CNAME record and they also relinked Cloudflare to get the site back up and running. They accidentally deleted the CNAME records, the DNS. The site went down and then they had to reinstall it. There was a whole lot of things in that kind of arena. So anyway, I just thought I'd put that out there. You've got lots of information now. It looks to me like there's some sort of database issue going along, but yeah, I couldn't diagnose it. I'll need you. So over to you, and let me know how you go. Thanks, Ray. Cheers.